G.Skill-level up your AMD rig. Hey everyone, Linus here. G.Skill is back at it again, pushing the boundaries of memory performance. They just dropped some insane new DDR5 kits, specifically designed to supercharge your AMD AM5 systems. We're talking X870 and X870E motherboards, people. Get ready for next-level speed and responsiveness. G.Skill knows that AMD users demand the very best. That's why they've engineered these kits to deliver blistering speeds and rock-solid stability. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who wants the absolute best performance, G.Skill has you covered. New DDR5, unleash the power. Imagine a world where your computing experience is not just fast, but lightning fast. That's what the new DDR5 Memory Kits from G.Skill promise to deliver. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who just loves to push their system to the max, these memory kits are designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your AMD system. With the new DDR5 Memory Kits, your AMD setup will reach new heights of performance and efficiency. Imagine running multiple applications seamlessly, experiencing zero lag during intense gaming sessions, and rendering high-quality videos in a fraction of the time. G.Skill S latest DDR5 memory kits are here, and they're not messing around. These kits are engineered to provide the ultimate performance boost, ensuring that your system runs smoother and faster than ever before. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a new one from scratch, these memory kits are the perfect addition to your setup. We're talking about their top-of-the-line families, Trident Z5 Neo RGB, which offers stunning visuals and unmatched performance. The RGB lighting adds a touch of flair to your setup, making it not just powerful but also visually appealing. Trident Z5 Royal Neo RGB, which combines elegance and power in one sleek package. This kit is perfect for those who want their system to look as good as it performs. And RipJaws M5 Neo RGB, designed for those who demand the best in both speed and reliability. This kit ensures that your system can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Each family offers unique advantages, but they all share one thing in common: blazing fast speeds and incredible responsiveness. No matter which kit you choose, you can be sure that your system will perform at its best, giving you the edge you need in any task. These kits are designed to take full advantage of the AMD AM5 platform's capabilities. This means that they are optimized for the latest technology, ensuring that you get the most out of your system. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, these memory kits will help you achieve your goals. That means pushing your system to the absolute limit and beyond. With these memory kits, you can explore new possibilities and take on challenges that were previously out of reach. Your system will be more responsive, more efficient, and more powerful than ever before. Whether you're editing 8K videos, rendering complex 3D models, or just want to dominate in the latest games, these kits will give you the edge you need to succeed. With G.Skill SDDR5 memory kits, the future of computing is here, and it's faster, more efficient, and more powerful than ever before. Unleash the power and experience the difference today. 24GB X2 Speed Demon Need for Speed G.Skill S24 GB X2 kits are built for pure performance. These dual-channel monsters can hit speeds of up to 8,000 MTS. That's insane. But it's not just about raw speed, it's about low latency too. These kits are available with different CAS latencies, so you can fine-tune your system for maximum responsiveness. We're talking CL34, CL36, and even CL38 timings. That means lightning-fast access to your data, which translates into a smoother and more enjoyable computing experience. 48GB X4 RAM Monster. For the ultimate power users, G.Skill offers massive 48GB X4 kits. Yes, you heard that right. You can have a whopping 192GB of RAM running at a blistering 6,000 MTS with CL28, 36, 36, 96 timings. That's enough to handle even the most demanding workloads without breaking a sweat. These kits are perfect for professionals who need to multitask like crazy. Imagine editing huge video files, running complex simulations, and compiling massive code bases all at the same time, without any lag or slowdown. With G.Skill S48GB X4 kits, it's all possible. Section 5, AMD EXPO, one click to win. One of the coolest things about these G.Skill DDR5 kits is that they support AMD EXPO technology. What does that mean for you? Simple, one-click overclocking. With EXPO you can instantly optimize your memory performance without having to mess around with complicated BIOS settings. Just enable EXPO in your motherboard's BIOS, and bam! Your system will automatically apply the optimal settings for your specific G.Skill memory kit. It's that easy. You'll get the maximum performance boost without any headaches. Section 6. Tested and true. Pushing the limits. Now you might be thinking, okay Linus, but how do we know these kits actually deliver? Well, G.Skill has put their money where their mouth is. They've rigorously tested these kits with high-end AMD systems including the Ryzen 7 9800X3D and Ryzen 9 9900X processors. And guess what? The results speak for themselves. They've achieved incredible speeds and stability with motherboards like the MSI MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi, so you can rest assured that these kits are built to perform under pressure. Section 7. Look sharp, game strong. But it's not just about performance, it's about style too. In today's world, how you present yourself can be just as important as how well you perform. Whether you're walking down the street or setting up for a gaming session, looking sharp can give you that extra boost of confidence. G.Skill knows that looks matter, especially for gamers and enthusiasts. They understand that the aesthetics of your gear can enhance your overall experience. Imagine setting up your gaming rig in a park surrounded by nature, and your equipment not only performs exceptionally but also looks stunning. That's why their DDR5 memory kits feature sleek designs and customizable RGB lighting. These aren't just functional components, they're a statement. The vibrant, colorful LED lights can match any setup, making your gaming station the centerpiece of any room. The Trident Z5 Neo RGB boasts a minimalist design with a sleek black heatsink and customizable RGB lighting. It's perfect for those who appreciate a clean, modern look. The black heatsink not only helps with cooling, but also adds a touch of elegance to your setup. The Trident Z5 Royal Neo RGB takes it up a notch with a stunning crystal-clear light bar that diffuses RGB lighting for a truly mesmerizing look. This design is for those who want their setup to stand out and make a bold statement. The light bar creates a dazzling effect, turning your gaming station into a visual masterpiece. And for those who prefer a more understated aesthetic, the RipJaws M5 Neo RGB offers a low-profile design with subtle RGB accents. It's the perfect choice for gamers who want a sleek, professional look without too much flash. The subtle RGB lighting adds just the right amount of flair without being overwhelming. Section 8. The need for speed, work and play. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator or a professional who relies on demanding applications, G.Skill S new DDR5 memory kits are designed to meet your needs. These kits offer the perfect blend of speed, capacity and stability, allowing you to push your AMD AM5 system to its absolute limits. Experience faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and improved overall responsiveness in all your applications. Don't settle for mediocrity. Unleash the full potential of your AMD system with G.Skill S cutting-edge DDR5 memory kits. Section 9. Upgrade your game. G.Skill delivers. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who loves to stay ahead of the tech curve, G.Skill has something for everyone. Their latest DDR5 memory kits are designed to push the boundaries of what's possible, offering unparalleled speed and performance. So, what are you waiting for? Imagine the possibilities with faster load times, smoother gameplay, and the ability to handle even the most demanding applications with ease. G.Skill S DDR5 memory kits are not just an upgrade, they're a game changer. If you're rocking an AMD AM5 system and you're looking for the ultimate performance upgrade, look no further than G.Skill S new DDR5 memory kits. With blazing fast speeds, massive capacities, and cutting-edge technology, these kits are engineered to meet the needs of the most demanding users. And rock-solid stability, you can trust that your system will run smoothly and efficiently no matter what you throw at it. Whether you're multitasking, streaming, or diving into the latest AAA games, G.Skill has got you covered. These kits are in a league of their own. They offer a seamless experience that will elevate your computing to new heights. Plus, with their sleek design, they look as good as they perform. Head over to G.Skill website to learn more about these awesome memory kits and find the perfect one for your system. Their user-friendly site makes it easy to compare different models and find the best fit for your needs. And hey, while you're there, be sure to check out their other amazing products too. From high-performance SSDs to top-of-the-line peripherals, G.Skill has everything you need to build the ultimate setup. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, keep it locked right here on Linus Tech Tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content and updates. Thanks for watching.